Welcome, or welcome back even. This time I will take you behind the scenes of making my Magnolia collection. This collection is all about growing, about allowing yourself to grow, to be more specific. But first, let's unpack. Welcome in the art studio. We'll get comfortable and get the tiles prepared for painting. Did you find yourself in a position already that you want to move on from something, but you are afraid of what your surroundings might think of you? Afraid to lose people if you let go of something that no longer serves you? If you do, that's great. It means you already felt that you are becoming someone better than your past self. And you are willing to take the steps, but there is still something that holds you back. In a lot of cases, though, we keep ourselves stuck in a situation, in a loop, without even knowing we do it. And we keep doing it unconsciously, because we still have some benefit from not growing. The key is to find the reason why we keep doing it. What is our benefit? For example, some woman named Sandra, she keeps doing all for other people and neglecting herself so she feels needed. If she would stop doing that, letting go of the always there for you Sandra, she would have the risk that she would be alone, that no one actually needs her, and she would feel insignificant. So she's actually depleting herself because she feels insignificant in her subconscious. Let's dive deeper. Not everybody is aware what is going on in their subconscious. Therefore, it might help to keep asking yourself, why? Why am I helping other people? If you know that answer, go again, why do I need to do that for them? Why? Keep asking why on your next answer, and you can dive deeper than you dove ever before. Don't get me wrong, helping other people is a good thing. I'm still thinking in Sandra, her over-helping other people and neglecting herself. Even though if you can't figure it out what it is in your subconscious, my Magnolia collection is here to remind you that you are allowed to grow. Connect yourself with the allowing process. If you can't find the deeper meaning of the why you keep doing some stuff, just connect to the opposite. Allow yourself to grow and put yourself first and take the steps to a better version of yourself, a loving version of yourself. is the opposite of stagnant energy, and it means you choose life. Life is always changing and nature is always growing and evolving. You are nature. As a human being, we are nature. If we don't grow, we get sick. Look at places where the water is stagnant in nature. It starts to stink and is the perfect base for bacteria, parasites, etc. So if you want to stay healthy and thriving, growing is an essential part, as equally essential as having enough movement, watching your nutrition. And growing comes with letting go of the past, whatever that might be. You have to make space for the new you, for new things to come into your life. So you have to let go of the past, whether that is a place, persons, situation, a job. If you are afraid you will lose friends and family, try it out. If they don't come along on the road of your new version, it means they are no vibrational match to your new being, meaning it will not be a loss. Your vibe attracts your tribe, that's what they say. So when you grow, your vibration will rise and you attract people and situations that match that new vibration. And those who stick around from the beginning, those people who allow you to grow, those are the best people you can have. Be grateful for them, thank them, make time for them. Let's put this finishing touch on the tiles and then they're ready to dry. And by the way, the reason why certain people will not come along on your growing journey, or those who give you the advice not to go for your dream or your next step, is because they are afraid of their own growing. If you grow, it will mirror them in their stagnant journey and it will make them feel like they are not doing enough or failing. So whatever they choose to do has actually nothing to do with you personally. It is a normal reaction that comes from their own point of where they are in life and their personal fear of moving on. So, no more excuses and allow yourself to grow. Take that next step to the better version of you today. You got this. Even if you have no one to come along on your growing journey, know that those people will come anyway, and I am rooting for you. From all the way here, I am rooting for you. And growing, that is for the badass people. It's for the brave, and you are brave, and you can do this. I'm sharing this art studio with 2 other ceramicists, and one of them will load the kiln tonight. So I'm putting the tiles on the table, ready to be fired. And then let's go take a walk in nature. I am struggling with anxiety myself still, ever since my mom passed away a couple months ago. I almost have a relaxed face, but I'm pushing myself out of my comfort zone and go out in nature and try to overcome. And this is my dog Cyan. He is with me all the time and goes wherever I go. He loves the water. And he's like me. He prefers calm waters, sweet waters where you can see through. And this is also a point of growth for me, learning to trust the unknown. So I think it's safe to say that trust is an essential part of growth. Time to go. Let's unpack the postcards and I'll show you the tiles after firing. Stay tuned. Whenever you buy a tile, you get a free postcard. The postcard holds the design on one side and the affirmation on the other side. Like this, you get daily reminders of that you are allowed to grow. These postcards are a tier on my Patreon, so if you would love to receive a postcard with affirmation every month, feel free to subscribe. There's also a digital tier on my Patreon where you get a wallpaper for your desktop, mobile phone and tablet every month. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next. Bye.